Welcome back to GLO TECH. Let's turn you into a Java output master with println and print. Today we dive into how to display text and numbers in Java using the println and print methods. Mastering these is key for writing interactive programs. First up, printing text in Java, the System.out.println method prints text and moves to a new line automatically. Example: System.out.println hello world. System.out.println I am learning Java. System.out.println, it is awesome. Notice how each statement prints on a separate line. This makes your output clear and easy to read. Remember, always wrap your text in double quotes. Correct. System.out.println, this sentence will work. Incorrect. System.out.println, this sentence will produce an error. Forgetting the quotes will result in an error. Now let's talk about the difference between print and println. The print method is similar to println, but it doesn't add a new line after printing. Example: System.out.print hello world. System.out.print I will print on the same line. Tip: adding an extra space in the first print statement improves readability. For simplicity, we'll primarily use println in this tutorial since it makes outputs easier to read. Next, printing numbers in Java. Unlike text, numbers don't need double quotes. Example: System.out.println 3. System.out.println 358. System.out.println 50000. You can even perform mathematical operations inside println. Example: System.out.println 3 plus 3. System.out.println 2 asterisk 5. This is super useful for dynamic calculations in your programs. Enjoying the lesson? Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, subscribe to GLO TECH for more Java tutorials.